Hi, my name is Suleiman, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan any document using Adobe Scan in 6 simple steps. So the first thing you need to do is open your Play Store and search for Adobe Scan. I already have it, so there is no need for me to download it again. So it is here. So we can open the application directly from here. Usually it requires me to create a new account, but I already have an account, so there is no need for me to create another account again. These are the files I have. So I can just click on this camera button, and then I can direct the picture that I wanted to scan. So already it is taking the edges. No need for me to do it manually, and you can just click here. Alright, check it. So already they have taken this particular document, and what I can do is I can save it on PDF, or I can click on scanning. But for now, I'm going to click on save PDF, and then from here, as you can see, it actually pen out the color. But don't worry, you can edit this later. You can just click on it and then click on edit, and then okay, modify, and then you can start modifying the color. So there are filters here available. If I don't want any filter, I can just click here. I can just click here, and then this particular application uses an AI to optimize the quality of the image that we took. So I can do all of that, and then I can check the image, I can crop it, I can do all different things. There are so many options available, and then after I'm done, I can just click on save PDF to actually save it. But then if you are wondering as to whether you can save this as an image, yes, you can do that. You can just click here. Okay, sorry. So you can just click on save as a JPEG, and then it will ask for my storage permission, and it just save it on my mobile devices. If you have found this video helpful, follow, like, and share for more.